Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to GOO Guitar, GOO GOO Dolls. Perhaps you recognize that band. They did Iris, and if you haven't heard that song, where have you been? One of the greatest songs ever. You should check it out. But this one is called Beautiful Lie. So pretty easy, replayable song here on guitar. So let's take a look at this here. We have 5 chords, no need for any capo. So let's go right into the chords here with the B minor. That's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 2nd fret. So you don't have to bar the last E string here. So just 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have G, that's the 2nd chord here. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is E minor. Oh, sorry, we actually have one more chord left over there, but yeah, over to E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And I almost forgot the D F chord, of course. So we have a D, but also the F sharp in the bass. So you're gonna hold it like this: 2nd on E string, open A, open D, 2nd G, 2nd B, sorry, 3rd B, and open E. Alright, so let's go back to the verse play and look at that, because the verse play and the pre-chorus play, I suggest here to play just one down for all these chords here. So the verse play will be B minor, then G, then D, and then A. You play 2 rounds of that. So B minor, G, D, and A. Then you go over to the pre-chorus. You're gonna continue with 1 down, and it's very similar here. We have just a change here. We're gonna play 2 rounds of it, but the first round has 1 chord and the second round has another chord. So the first round goes E minor, G, then D, and A. Okay? And then the second round will be E minor, G, but instead of D, you're gonna play B minor, and then A. So first round, E minor, G, first round is D, and then A. And then second round, again, E minor, G, and now you have the B minor and A. And that's it for pre-chorus. So 2 rounds of that as well, and then we have the final part here, pretty much that is the chorus play. Now you're gonna work with downs still, but faster. So you're gonna play E minor, 5 downs, then the D, F, 2 downs, then G, 7 downs, A, 2 downs, and D, 16 downs. And that is 1 round of this chord progression in the chorus. So slowly it goes like this: E minor 5, D7, DF2, G7, A2, and D16, like this. E minor, DF, G, A, D. So again, E minor 5, DF2, G7, A2, and then D16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In a standard tempo, something like this. Another round. All right, so I'm gonna play 4 rounds of that, and then comes an instrumental part after the second round out of everything, because you're gonna play verse 1, pre-chorus 1, chorus 1, and then repeat everything else in the same way. And after the second chorus comes an instrumental / outro part. You're gonna continue with the chorus play for 4 rounds again, and that ends the song from GOO GOO DOLLS. Beautiful, beautiful lie. So yeah, nice song like always from them, and it's very playable on the guitar. So give it a try. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.